Okay, so this is just a little tag on. I was doing the Ozark knife video, and I noticed this little Gerber dime, and I was like, well, let's take a look at that. Because I got it as a gift one year for Christmas. It's kind of neat. It's got a can opener built onto it. Feels sturdy enough. I think that would work just fine. It's a little small plier, which I do like. I think that would be really good. I could really use this today at work. Had a chainsaw with the knot all knotted up so tight I couldn't loosen it up, put the pull cord handle back on, and that would have been great to get that knot loose. Because I needed some tiny pliers, and yeah, here we go. They were at home. Anyway, so to be honest with you, I think these would be a great little set of bench pliers to get into tight spots and grabbing stuff and maneuvering springs and just whatever. That's I think a handy piece. The tools in this you have, well, not well designed for my fingers to manipulate. But here you got a file, and so the bastard side of the file, which I don't know if you know, but a bastard file will, if I remember right, it'll cut both ways, and a mill file cuts one way. I may have that backwards. I don't know. You tell me. You guys know more than me. Everybody knows more than me. So you don't have, it's not completely cut all the way across, but I think you get some usage out of that. If nothing else, I mean, a good fingernail file, to be honest with you. Kind of short and hard to use, so I don't know that that's really even helpful to be on there. But that little slight pry bar / small screwdriver could come in handy for sure. And what else do we have on here? We have, of course, a larger screwdriver profile. Yeah, and I think you can probably get some usage out of that. I mean, this whole feels pretty solid in lockup, so I think it would be very well useful. Looks like a decent set of scissors. They feel solid and strong. What else is on here? I'm kind of just figuring all this out as I go here because I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's anything or not. I don't really think it is. On this side over here, you got a little blade. Doesn't feel particularly sharp, but I think you could open packages with it for sure. And then you have the same little odd cutout, and I don't know if that's anything useful or not. So let's see. So scissors, 2 screwdrivers, or scissors and 2 flathead screwdrivers. And the point on this one, I think, could potentially double even as a Phillips. Then you have this odd-looking thing, which I have no idea what that would be called. It's not really an owl, so I don't know. But it is some kind of blade. I mean, that's a little small blade section right there. I don't know what use it is or what you technically do with it, but hey, you got it. I don't know what it is, but you got it. And again, I don't see anything opening on here. So that's pretty much about it. The little Gerber dime is what that's called. To be honest, I don't know that I've ever heard of these before, but they're kind of little keyring multi-tools. And I believe that they are, well worth packing around with you. I mean, I have the old, which maybe I should do something with this Multi-Force or Ozark Trail, because this is a knockoff of a Leatherman. And I think what I may do is do a review on the Surge, I think it is. And I have the Surge. And so I think what I'm going to do is a review comparing these two right here, and where this one has failed me, and I've just kept going with it. So, but anyway, this is a neat little knife. I think it's useful, and I think it has a place on your bench, and even in your pocket if you don't do any heavy lifting. I don't think it'll stand up to anything, anything significant. But I think it would be useful and get you out of a pinch in certain cases. So anyway, just a quick little look at this. Nothing fancy and nothing special. But I just wanted to share it. And I'm going to sometime or another find my old knife box, and I want to really go through each of those knives with you. And I don't know if any of them will warrant a full video, but I'm gonna try to go through each one of them just to show you what I grew up with. So I appreciate you. I enjoy spending time with you, and I will see you next time. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.